There's the WestJet. It's a 737. According to Flight Radar, I think it may be going to... I think it's going to Calgary or... I'm not sure, I have to check. Alright, there it goes. Now we have another WestJet coming in, taking off. Over there, it was right behind the other WestJet that just departed. I will record that as well. There's another WestJet. This one is going to Calgary. The last one that I recorded was going down to San Francisco. Both of them are 737s. That one's going up to Calgary. It took off very fast. Very fast. I couldn't even like try to follow it with my camera. It's going too fast. We have an American 737, American Airlines, down to Dallas. This is also another 737. It was right behind the WestJet that just took off. That was so hard. Jeez. There it is. Air Canada 777. It's going over to Tokyo for this one. Wow. That's a beautiful takeoff. It's a beautiful takeoff. Wow. I can't believe it, honestly. It's going over to Tokyo. For some reason, Flight Radar says that it's a 4-hour flight, but I think they just got the timing wrong. I think they forgot to add a 1. For those of you that don't know, this is the airport for Vancouver. There's a WestJet over there, the control tower, the terminal building, the runways. See, there's a plane right there. There's an Air Canada right there. There's a lot of planes departing and arriving today. There's the terminal, control tower. Oh, United! Nice. I'll capture that when it takes off. Take off. I'll capture that when it takes off. There we have it. We have a Flair 737. It's a Canadian low-cost airline. I'll put the destination down below. There it is. This is the second time I've captured a Flair Airlines. Second time. There is a United and there is an Air France coming later. So I will put all the planes and the models and their destinations and flight number down below. And their flight time as well. If I can. United Airlines 737 flying over to Denver. It took off like 5 seconds. It started to take off for 5 seconds after I started the camera. Or rather 5 seconds before I started the camera. Or 5 or 10 seconds, I'm not sure. But there we go. United 737 at Denver. We have an A321 from Air Canada. Wow. 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 Took off just like 10, 20, 15 seconds after the takeoff roll. It's not bad. The A321 is actually pretty cool. I've actually been on the A321 once. Gotta say, it was the same aircraft. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. There's another Air Canada. This one's going over to Victoria. This is a Q400, I'm pretty sure. This one's flying over to Victoria, which is situated on Vancouver Island. Flight there's probably like an hour or so, maybe like 30 minutes if it flies fast enough. See, it's turning over, so it's definitely going over to Victoria, which is around maybe like southwest of Vancouver Airport. There's an Air Canada Jazz. It's going to Sandspit. I don't know what airport that is though, but there it is. So this is Q400. It's probably, yeah, it's a regional jet. There we have it, folks. Air France 777-200 over to Paris. This was one of the special planes, special wide bodies. Oh, that plane is majestic. What the heck? That plane is majestic. The 777 has always been one of my favorite planes, apart from the 787.